Welcome back, Focus Fanatics. In this video, I will show you our weekly report and how to set it up. Our weekly report is very similar to our daily report, but instead of showing one day at a time, we can show all 7 days of the week in one report. So let's just go ahead and run it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So to run the weekly report, we're just going to click our weekly report button. And it's going to default to a week here. In this example, 7/18 to 7/24. We can filter out the sales on the report by revenue center if we select it. We can also select our destination if we wanted to. So let's just go ahead and run it with our default settings. And you'll see we have our weekly report. It looks similar to a daily report, like I said, but now we have each day of the week listed across the top right here. And we can see the units and sales for each day of the week. For example, our average check, average guest, and voids. And you just scroll on down the list, and it's really similar to our daily report. And our next page, on report setup, we have the option to display or not display our discounts and our voids. Maybe you want the report to print on one page, then that's probably when you would not choose to print out the not display the discounts and voids. Okay, here's our weekly report. It's really easy to set up, so let me go show you how to do that real quick. We'll go to reports and setup. First thing we do is name our report. We named it weekly report, and the type obviously is going to be weekly report. Now, if we'd like to always filter this out or filter it out by default, we could select an order type right here if we wanted to. And same thing with station. If we only want sales for a particular station to show up on the report, we can go ahead and select our station. And our last option that we have here is to display discounts and voids. If there's a check mark next to it, it will display it. If there is no check mark, it will not display through report. And our output is the same as the majority of our other reports. You can choose the destination, the printing format, the security code, and so on so forth. Well, that wraps it up for our weekly report, Focus Fanatics. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay focused.